Now, how do we actually do the realization of the denominator of this complex number? In this case, well, we apply two concepts that we've already seen, right? Those are one, the multiplication of complex numbers, very easy process, and two, the conjugate. And that's exactly what we're going to multiply by. We're going to multiply both top and bottom, which is perfectly fine, right? We're going to multiply top and bottom by the conjugate of the denominator. That's how we realize the denominator of this fraction here. And so we're going to multiply. Remember, the conjugate is just simply we negate the imaginary part. So this will be 2 minus I, of course, upon 2 minus I. Remember, we are allowed to multiply top and bottom by anything because that is the same as multiplying by 1. And anything by 1 is itself. All right? And so this will actually produce 4 plus 3I times 2 minus I. I'll leave the numerator for you guys to break down. And at the bottom, remember, the conjugate is actually supposed to get rid of this imaginary part of the denominator, right? So we'll have 2 plus I times 2 minus I, right? This here is, if you can really notice here, it is a difference of two squares, right? So we have something of the form a plus b times a minus b. So we can actually rewrite it as a squared, right, minus b squared, right? A plus b times a minus b. A squared minus b squared. Same thing, right? So I'll leave the top for you guys to break down. Just a simple multiplication, right? And the denominator produces, we know what I squared is very easily. It is, we'll have 2 squared is 4 minus an I squared, it is a negative 1. Right? Let me rewrite the numerator. And so, see, we would have successfully gotten rid of that I that was in the denominator because 4 minus negative 1 is simply 5. Right? And I'll leave this top part for you guys to break down.